Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will be unboxing these. So we gotta open them first. They're like earbuds. Let's open them. Alright, let's fix the camera. There we go. So, the earbuds. So, this is the cool case for it. So we can just put them in like this. Let me show close for you. Like that, the earbuds are in. And then we close the case like that. And this is like the plug. That's the instructions in here. Wait, this isn't the instructions. This is the instructions. This shows like, it doesn't say what the things are, it's like how you use it, which I definitely figured it out. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.